The Redmond Rod and Gun Club's adding 2 additional operating days each week at its pistol range. Starting February 15th, pistol range will be open from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Mondays and Tuesdays. The range is closed on Thursdays. These extra days are for newer shooters while the range is less busy.
So these extra days is also in response to the amount of interest in the community. And we're getting a lot more calls about, want to come out and shoot during the week, but I'd rather, more quiet time. So we're opening on these Mondays and Tuesdays to allow that.
The Redmond Rod and Gun Club's been around for 75 years. It offers practice facilities and instruction for 5 shooting disciplines.